What's up, you guys? And I'm back at you with new video. You probably can tell I don't wear any makeup and I'm in my bathroom, and that can mean just one thing. It's a beauty review time on my channel. And as you probably can tell from the title, it's going to be a Primark foundation review. I haven't tried it before. I have heard different types of feedback about it, good and bad. So I'm like quite curious to try. And it costs just £2.50 British pounds, I mean. So it's quite cheap, and if it works, like, my bank account will thank me, because, you know, drugstore type of foundation doesn't work really for me, for my skin, because my skin, as you can tell, honey, it's crazy ass situation right here. It looks like a polka dot face, or Google Maps. You have different kind of situationship going on, you know, big pores and stuff. So yeah, and before I start, I just want to mention, I'm not a makeup professional, I'm not a makeup guru, anything like that. So, you know, I just do what I can. I enjoy makeup, and yeah, and I think if it will work for me, definitely gonna work for you, because my makeup skills are as basic as it gets, okay? I got this foundation from Primark. It was $2.50. It calls Perfection Finish Foundation. It says it's medium coverage, semi-matte finish with vitamin E, and it's actually called My Perfect Color, sorry to say. And I got this, I believe, in Fair or something like that. I got it in Ivory. I think it's the lightest shade. I don't think it's the light enough for my skin though, but let's see. It was $2.50 to 50 British pounds, and I got this makeup sponge. Just never tried it before. Heard just bad stuff about it, to be honest. It's a silicone sponges, and they were £2 and down to 50 British pence, which I'm actually quite curious to try, and let's see if it works or not. I'm going to be doing half of my face with this silicone sponge and half of my face with the Real Techniques blender. Yeah, that's, I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's see. So I'm gonna do what I usually do. I don't wear any primer usually. Sometimes I wear some on my pores, but I decided not to wear any primer today, just in case, because I want to have you know, real. Oh, so the foundation is, I think, gonna be a little bit dark for me, a tiny bit, but let's see. It's quite liquidy, but not as liquid as, for example, Fenty Beauty. So half of my face. Okay, so I don't know how to work with this sponge, to be honest. This looks so streaky on camera. And you know, oh my god. Okay, I don't think I look like a person from the not a person, wax figure from that horror movie, Wax House or something. Like, you know, when they were melting and stuff. That's how I look. Okay, I understand the point. They like try to create something that doesn't absorb your makeup. But girl, you need to be a freaking professional to use this one. Well, I need to do maybe that. Let me see. I don't know how it turns out to you guys. Let me have a look in the mirror. So I think I'm gonna have to retouch it later. Let's try it with my sponge. Okay. Oh, to be fair, I think it is my color. Quite impressed. Okay, let's go with my wet sponge for the whole face. That's not too bad. Let me see. It says like medium coverage, but I can tell you straight on, it's quite good coverage. Like, it wears light. Like, I can feel it's really light on my face. That's a bit of a shocker, you guys. Okay, I can see some redness here, but I can dab some product on. Okay. And I'm that type of weird person. I will put foundation everywhere, like on my eyelids, and then I will set like eyelids with a powder. I actually bought a new setting powder from Moi brand. It's quite cheap. It was like £3, I think. Looks like banana powder. Haven't used banana powder in my life, so cannot compare, you know. And I really love as well the Rimmel Wake Me Up, I think, powder. Like, it has a blue lid. Okay. You know, I'm going on few layers because my skin is really crazy, and like the redness will peek through later on. This is what usually happens. So let's see. This actually is bomb, man. I like that. Like, I highly recommend you trying that. Like, I think it might be a problem to get proper color match, because I don't remember, there was like maybe 6 colors or less or something like that. Like, not many colors there. But I'm loving this. Let me have a look in the mirror, because like on the camera sometimes it looks better or worse than in real life, you know, in the lighting and all that. 2 seconds. Yeah, actually it's really nice. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. I have a lot of leftover, which is nice, because the amount I squeezed, it was a lot, to be honest. Like, I didn't fall that through. Okay, let's set it up and see how the finished product looks. Okay, so this is how it looks with powder on. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is flawless, you guys. This is obviously without contour, without eyebrows, without just lashes on, yeah? So this is really cute, you know? And I checked in the mirror and it looks on point. I think I just discovered the best foundation ever. I can't believe it's £2.50, and can I believe it's from Primark. It's actually really nice. I'm quite curious how it will wear, but maybe I'll do like an Instagram post few weeks after this video to tell you guys how it actually wears. But looks amazing on my skin, let me tell you. Like, I am quite shocked. And you saw my skin, like my naked ass skin. I think I powdered it too much. My face looks a bit wider than my neck. But like, honey, I'm feeling like, if you can find your color in Primark, go get you some. And yeah, and leave the comment down below if you use it, if you use any other Primark beauty and makeup stuff. Like these nails, for example, from Primark as well. They are the bomb. They were like £1 square letter in violet. My favorite. It's like a liposuction for your fingers, honey. Highly recommend as well. Yeah, I'm quite, you know, Primark. You go, girl. Okay. Thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and all that situationship. And peace out. Yeah, and this sponge has to go to the bin. Life is life.